Oh, there's meat in it. There's meat in it.
Yeah,
Then I'll have yakhni.
I like it. Kunal reacted. Meat है तो pass करो वरना
तो
pass
मत दे, मत दे. I went for a show to Goa.
हाँ.
For some fashion show or something. Don't ask me what I was doing the fashion show.
I was about to.
But I was actually walking the ramp. And we...
What? Wait,
Boss!
I mean,
some people like it this way.
what was that? I'll tell you what, Delhi does better street food than y'all. I mean, I don't want to put you guys on the spot. But I know you are a hardcore Mumbai boys. But Delhi representing. How the do you... Am I allowed to curse? Let's not curse. I don't know. Look at me. Are you allowed to curse?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I got the thumbs up. Mr. Kunal Vijayakar is slightly worried now. The man behind the camera is like, go for it. He has no idea what is coming. No.
What the chalo.
Boom.
My whole Delhi middle class housewife market is gone in one episode.
No, you come to Goa. It's all there.
It's all there. तो मैंने कहा था मेरे साथ आज बिग फॉकर एक और बार ट्राई करते हैं इसको. ओके मैंने कहा था हाँ साइलेंस है. मैंने कहा था मेरे साथ आज बिग फोकस है और देखिए काफी बिग है. Shanking, Sid.
Hi. Thank you for having us over.
Thank you for being on the show.
Thank you, sir.
I thought that Colaba is a good place to start with.
Yeah.
Because it's one of the oldest parts of the city.
Yeah.
And the restaurant we're going to, I don't know if you've been there before or you've been there.
एक बार ऐसे ही आवाज आ रही थी. एक बार वो गोकुल से लटकते ड्रैग
रेंगते गए थे एक बार.
हाँ.
रेंगते तो आज पूरे होश में हम जा रहे हैं बगदादी में.
Done.
Baghdadi, right opposite Gokul, which is an old watering hole. Yeah. A lot of old restaurants in this area. And
legendary part of town, no?
Legendary part of town. This restaurant also 135 years old.
It's 135?
135 years old.
See, वो Taj Mahal Palace की गाड़ी गई थी. Kunal is so kind that they put us up there.
Yes.
So we just rolled down from a suite straight to Baghdadi.
Right from the Taj Mahal Hotel into...
That's how you got to roll. That's a bit of Bombay, no? It's got like disparity between...
Everywhere. This used to be the Oxford University Press. For what it's worth.
Oh.
Yeah, this building. And this road is called Tulloch Road.
Oh.
Not Lokmanya Tulloch.
Oh, Tulloch.
Tulloch.
I feel more posh when I move here. Slightly. You brown people, please relax. Sorry.
चलो जाएंगे अंदर.
Before you get into trouble.
I know.
Let's go eat. खाना.
चलो.
I hope you're not hungry or you're always hungry.
No dinner, no breakfast, nothing. Lunch to lunch.
Superb.
It smells like nostalgia, right?
Yeah.
ये कीमा, मसाला, सबका.
ये रोटी को देखे ना immediately it's a flashback. You'll go and
But ये जो रोटी है ना, please taste it ना. It is some other kind of.
देखो कैमरा से बाहर निकाल रहा हूँ.
But how they managed to get this airy bubbles on this?
It's Khamiri. It's a lemon.
Yeah, it's like Khamiri. It's a little slightly sour, more sour than other roti.
Yeah. So this is the first time GST bread when it came to India. It was Khamiri roti. Uske baad they have different versions now, but Khamiri is the older one.
This is the original one.
I mean, as they say, but Purush Dalal might slap me for saying that. I'm always very careful about
Of what you say. We'll check with Kurush. What is the problem?
Yeah.
So,
Kurush, please comment. Please correct us in the comments.
So I think ये टेबल हमारे साइजेस देखकर लग रहा है.
अच्छा एक सेकंड उसके लिए मैं थोड़ा सा आगे कर दूं. I like to eat the food, not bathe in it.
कुछ बीच में आ रहा है.
बस पेट से
This magnificent spectacle.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, I am now. Yeah, I'll
Chalo.
pass this on.
So let's talk about. I'm saying let's talk about Big Focus. It's one of my favorite food shows on YouTube. And
Coming
also on
from
television.
you, that's high praise from the high priest, man.
No, मेरे को इतना मत चढ़ाओ.
नहीं अभी इतना तो बनता ही
You
है.
just learned how long you've been around
Yeah.
for a
He
food
called
show
you old.
and in general.
He just called you old.
No, but it was
Food show and in general. these days.
no, because I genuinely didn't know. Because when Mohit told me how old you are, I was like, there is no way. You are bullshitting because I don't know. इसके पहले अपने Cyrus के साथ भी किया था. When Cyrus also said his age, I was actually expecting Cyrus to be like Sid से थोड़ा एक आध इधर उधर. He's considerably older than Sid, and you're older than them also. I was
I'm
like,
8 years older than him.
Then
Then
you
Cyrus
don't look it,
actually.
bro. You look probably. I look older than you probably.
Thank you. So, what is your sort of Mumbai experience? You live in Mumbai. You don't live in Mumbai. You live in Lokhandwala. That's a little out of Mumbai. Huh?
I live in
Dolly.
I call it the armpit of Mumbai. It smells like the armpit of Mumbai.
We used to call it rectum, but it is maybe a little more polite.
I was told, is this true? Just like on our show, you have once had vegetarian on there shooting you, and
Bichara.
बेचारा
Behind the camera.
हर एपिसोड में यही होता है.
He's just looking in the camera. ये मैं नहीं खा सकता. ये मैं नहीं खा सकता. ये मैं नहीं खा सकता.
हमारे में भी एक है.
हाँ, एक वेजिटेरियन कैमरा.
मतलब वेजिटेरियन तो छोड़ो सर, वो
जैन है.
जैन है. उसको हम लोग को लेके गए सिंगापुर, वो बेचारा मर गया.
क्या
नो अंडा, नथिंग.
What did he eat
पीनट
there?
बटर जेली एवरी नाइट.
उसकी दादी अगर हमारा शो देखेगी, उसको घर पे जाके ना वो आरती वारती उतारा करेगी. Just by association.
आप इतने पाप के नजदीक थे.
एकदम.
Yeah. And the poor guy is very, very earnest about his eating choices on the most carnivorous possibly
Show
lot.
ever.
Yeah.
I think that is what attracted me to your show at the beginning.
Yeah.
The amount of meat that was in that show consumed, and by people who look so happy
Yeah.
about eating.
But that's been your USP, no? Well, you are the joyful eater.
The happy foodie.
I'm not going to show off right now, but I think there's something common in the three of us, which is we actually enjoy the food and it shows on camera. You know कि खाते हैं तो मजा आता है और ऑर्गेनिक भी दिखता है.
वो खाने के लिए जीते हैं. वो दिखता है.
जीते हैं.
Clearly दिखता है.
जीने के लिए खाते नहीं हैं.
Correct.
हम लोग और
अच्छा, this
वैसे
is
है ना.
पाया soup. Huh?
Correct.
This is good for strength overall.
You manage your virility, man.
Yeah. That's why there's a bone in it. अरे chicken fry masala. अरे
Oh,
There's a lot of food there right now.
So both of y'all, you have a sort of food chef background or something. I
Yeah,
read about
professional.
it. You were a chef.
I went to culinary school in 1995,
Wow.
Johnson and Wales,
Wow.
in both in North Miami and Providence. So, JNW is one of those old school culinary schools, right? Very European in its mindset, very French. But then growing up in Florida and also being of Indian descent, थोड़ा अपना mix करा, वो करा, but became a chef.
Veja.
So you,
I think you should
like-
stop getting more food now.
I think you're good. So you not only studied in culinary school, you also worked as a chef. Then?
For 9 years?
No, not that long. I didn't last that long.
Oh.
I got burnt out, boss, because this body is not meant for very hard work.
Same here. This is the hardest work we do.
बस एक हाथ में glass, एक हाथ में ये. That was too much work for me, and it's a brutal world. And that time, being a chef wasn't the sexiest thing. It is like hard graft.
Bawarchi.
मतलब लगे रहो अंदर.
देखने नहीं कौन है.
And it was like 7 days a week, 15 hours a day. And when you're not doing that, you're still ordering shit, paperwork करते जाओ. And then I saw all these guys coming and eating my food, and we were a fairly expensive restaurant where I was the executive chef there. And then I was like, I want to be on the other side traveling and eating all of this food.
Yeah.
And I need to be able to afford to do that around the world. As I told you earlier, but merchant navy background, my
Yes,
father.
yes, yes.
So दुनिया देखी थी.
दुनिया देखी थी.
And I want to do it on my own steam. So I left that world and got into full corporate banking,
Finance.
management consulting, finance, मतलब इधर से उधर. Everything has been a journey just to go eat a meal. All my life, I feel now, has been leading up to something like this. I made bullshit investments just so I could go eat and get the bank to pay for it.
That's fabulous.
I found out, don't sue me anymore, it's too
But
late.
it's a full circle from starting with food and ending up literally doing food all over again. You know, with such a vast interest in food, knowledge in food, and
That's interestingly put, circle of life for you.
yeah,
Oh.
Started with food and has come back.
I feel like a song is going to come up.
Elton John.
Yeah, Elton John.
Oh, that Lion King song.
Lion King, no? Mufasa. बाल नहीं है खाली, खोपड़ी में.
And you, Shanky, right while you were taking a bite, I'm asking this.
Guess who's got all the attention now? Mine brought up everywhere.
Huh.
Travel has definitely been a very integral part, whether it's on a bike, whether it is work. I work with the World Bank and as a technology consultant, so a lot of travels. Also traveling 20 days a month. The meetings are the excuse. The food is the agenda.
But every time you go to a place,
New place. First thing, the good part is even the World Bankers. I don't know if I should be saying this on camera. All of them are hardcore foodies. First thing they want to go to a place, if it's a news, if we are in Jordan, first thing we want to do in Jordan is meetings at what time? Let's push it by 2 hours. First thing in the morning, we'll go check out a few restaurants around us and then we'll do meetings in second.
तभी सालों से काम नहीं होता.
wait, लेकिन
आराम से चलते, सब आराम से चलते.
लेकिन है ना, you go to a new place and the first thing at least we want to do is find out what the food is over there.
Correct.
बाकी के लोग जो होते हैं हमारे देश के जो ट्रैवल करते हैं वहाँ जाते हैं और इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट ढूंढते हैं.
हाँ, ये समझ
I
में नहीं
don't
आया.
understand, man.
क्या करें? We are not used to eating. We
We
are not
don't have a
adventurous.
culture of restaurants back home originally.
Yeah.
बड़े cities में था, छोटे cities में शायद नहीं है. That's why.
I remember this one, and I've never really thrown tantrums, okay? But
हाँ.
I went for a show to Goa
हाँ.
for some fashion show or something.
हाँ.
Don't ask me what I was doing the fashion
I
show.
was about to.
But I was actually walking the ramp. And we,
What? What?
boss,
I mean,
some people like it this way.
What was that? The Delhi, the
I
whole dentist
I'm
from
part of
Delhi were
that.
there. Woo. Target market.
So landed in Goa, checked into the hotel, and this is sir, come down for dinner. There was come down for lunch, and there were pizzas, there was butter chicken, and there was bhindi, and I've never thrown a tantrum about food in my life. I said, I've come to Goa, please don't do this to me.
yeah.
No, then there's somebody scurried off, got something from somewhere.
But you're at a fashion show. Nobody else was eating. Only you must have been eating. Everyone else was watching.
Well
their weight.
put, boss. अभी क्या इतना
अब,
सारा खाना है
अभी
आज?
जगह नहीं बची है.
तो क्या करें? चलो,
बस हो गया.
बस हो गया. And how did the whole big focus happen? Because you were already doing your investments and you were the World Bank, and then this whole thing about traveling together and then shooting it and then talking about it.
It's a वो वाला सीन हो गया. बता बल्लू.
हाँ.
So basically,
He doesn't want to talk. He's just eating.
I know, right? Every time I've been
I've
caught
done
up
more
with
damage to
something.
my roti. See, depends.
So I'm
who's
not
eating.
doing roti. I'm doing just the meats.
I'm also doing the same thing.
Roti is just in between. So we were in Spain. I was in Spain. I was doing a Anthony Bourdain food trip.
Okay.
I wanted to start in Barcelona, go down to Granada, and I was driving in a camper van with a couple of friends.
So after he had passed away? Or before?
Yeah, after.
After.
2019, 18.
19.
So we were, it was me and a couple of friends. We were mapping all the restaurants that he'd eaten in. Really great food. So I was just leaving from Barcelona and heading towards Valencia, and I was like, ping Sid and asking, ki paella, is there like a spot that you have to go and get like the best paella types? So I would message him on Facebook. Said, good place for paella. He ping me back. Explain to me. Get to this place, it's about 150 kilometer drive, but worth it, da 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 da. Last sentence, when are you going? I said, tomorrow. I'll see you in Valencia. I was like,
From where were you at that?
It was in Milan.
Milan. Okay. So you were in the vicinity.
In the vicinity.
Ah.
We decided to fly down, came down, met us in Valencia, we drove. It's the first time I actually realized that paella originally is rabbit meat and chicken, not nothing to do
Not
with
seafood. Not
Yeah.
seafood, yeah.
That's how I got introduced to that concept. I was like, damn good, this, that, not. And then and then we drove together all the way down to Granada. And that 1,000 kilometer drive that we must have done, every day obviously was all about the food. So at one point, and typically when we sit down, no, like I think like 3 of us would sit down, we'd get into the anthropology of this automatically.
Correct.
Not as much as Kurush, but into some part of it. Where we'd be like, "Acha, ye yahan pe kaise aaya? What is the influence?" and all of that jazz. So general conversation. And one of the friends, he just looked and said, "Yeah, you know, you buggers have traveled, made us also drive 150 kilometers just to eat this one meal. And similarly, we've done this all along. Put a camera, this is a show." And we were like, "तेरे को लगता है कोई देखेगा क्या?" And he's a YouTuber himself. He has this show called Jord Indian. So he was like, "No, you probably have a show here." That is where what is it called? The inception happened. And then cut to about a year later, he was traveling he was in China and he messaged saying, "I'm coming to Bombay. Try करते क्या?" तो उसने बोला था ऐसे, "चलो, let's do this." We drove from Bombay. We asked a couple of friends, एक को कैमरा दे दिया, चल यहाँ से we drove from Bombay to Goa on the coastal road. The unseen episodes that have not come out.
Oh, they haven't come out yet.
That was the first episode.
Because sometimes when I watch episodes of yours, मैं सोचता हूँ ये लोग ज़्यादा खाते हैं या ज़्यादा पीते हैं?
दोनों ही करते हैं।
दोनों ही करते हैं।
खाते पीते लगते हैं।
खाते पीते हम सब हैं।
नहीं, और क्या हुआ था? I mean, let the truth come out. The fact was हमको मालूम नहीं करके आ रहे थे। हमने किसी प्रोडक्शन कंपनी को हायर करा, तो उनको भी नहीं मालूम था, सस्ते में जो हो रहा था हो गया था। तो फिर उन्होंने शो बना लिया। बाय द वे, एक सीजन तो उड़ा दिया, मतलब they lost the footage, all of it.
We shot for a week. We did 22 restaurants.
And
They don't have anything.
They lost the whole, they corrupted the hard disk which it was on. और वो एक ही हार्ड डिस्क पे रखा था।
उसने बैकअप नहीं करा, वो गया, फिर से शूट करा। फिर 1 महीने बाद, 2 महीने बाद जब फुटेज आया, यार शो तो ठीक है, हमको भी मजा आ रहा है, पर खाना क्या है? फूड शो विदाउट एनी फूड शॉट्स। सो सीजन 1 बॉम्बे बकचोदी ज्यादा इसीलिए है क्योंकि साले ने किसी ने फूड की शॉर्टेज ले तो कॉन्वर्सेशन। तो अब हम नेक्स्ट सीजन करा, बोला पीपल आर वाचिंग दिस, सो लेट्स गो इन दैट डायरेक्शन। So we became a food show without that much food.
More about interesting story about that lost season. पीछे शूट कर रहे थे हार्बर में. We got hammered. It's a very famous cricketer. Ravi Shastri.
Very famous.
He was hammered. We were hammered. We all got hammered and had a conversation on camera. That was the biggest regret. वो 22 जो एपिसोड निकले थे, ठीक है.
वो BCCI ने क्या हमारा हार्ड ड्राइव रूल करा क्योंकि अगले दिन इंडिया हार गई।
रवि शास्त्री के हाथ बहुत लंबे हैं।
He got plastered with us. And
Only
excitement में he bought a bottle of wine, I bought a bottle of wine, he bought a bottle of wine, I bought 2 bottles of wine. वो तो चला गया, लुढ़क गया, हमारा बिल जब आया हम लगा। Yeah, when it runs into few lakhs, no, only on day 2 of production, just for the wine.
ये बहुत expensive show है।
फिर
many
like,
days.
maybe we should not go to these places.
And do the show.
Yeah, बड़े नहीं अच्छे लगे, बाहर जाके।
How's the food?
Really
like
good.
the
Really good. Man, we tried this.
Yeah.
This has got this very opulent, rich man's.
And I would.
बोलते हैं ना नवाबी type feeling है उसमें.
और ये
तो
भी
यहाँ का famous क्या है? Like what is the
this chicken like masala.
Their bheja is also very famous.
But this one in particular, I'm a big fan of just chicken masala fry, which is like a normal chicken masala at any sort of Muslim restaurant that you go to. Which you
What
find-
is this called?
It's called dabba gosh. It's
Really good,
It's,
this dabba
it's made in a white gravy, and they sometimes put noodles on top of it.
noodles?
Yeah, a little like sevaiya type noodles,
Wow.
and cheese, and it's sort of fried egg on top.
Oh wow.
This fried egg, it's like an omelette.
हाँ,
This is really tasty.
very tasty. What do you want me
ये
to do?
नवाबी वाला feel आया ना खा के? It's got
ये-
that aromatic
this is their
flavors,
version of a nihari.
It is.
Ah.
It is there, yeah, but it's like been very tasty.
Yeah.
And I was also wondering because I've come here for a long time, and this place is great on atmosphere.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure how great it was on food, but it's not bad at all.
No?
It's really good, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I remember eating this and bheja fry invariably in the night.
This is
वो रात
So
को
what
बड़ा
I find
comfort है.
interesting about places like this, in my head, a lot of this came post-partition. So these guys have been there once before.
Yeah. So this is not very Punjabi food. They might have slightly gone towards the
Yeah.
Punjabi taste because of demand.
Demand. Yeah.
Demand, you know. But like this is absolutely, you will not find this in North India anywhere.
Yeah, this is. I think this is a Baghdadi dish.
Yeah. And also, there was a very strong Baghdadi community in Mumbai.
Oh,
अच्छा.
So Baghdadi Jews
Yeah.
as well as Baghdadi
like the Sassoon.
Muslims. Sassoon of Baghdadi.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sorry, do you
there's
want
meat in it. There's meat in it.
Yeah.
Then I'll have yakhni.
I like it. Kunal react. Meat है तो pass करो, वरना
नहीं तो
मत pass
मत
करो.
दे, मत दे, मत दे. So listen, so how many seasons Big Focus have you done now?
We've done 3.
Fourth is Texas.
Fourth is Texas, which is now coming out, and then right after that is Singapore.
Oh, fabulous.
We
Yeah, we did.
spent a month doing I Should Have Stayed Home.
And then
I'm coming to that.
Okay.
I like the build-up.
Yeah.
Look at the lead-in. That's what we call professional presenters versus two morons.
Exactly. Who try to jump in and say, wait, we did one show also in between.
He's like, भाई setup कर रहा हूँ.
And since you brought it up, please tell me about the show. So the show is on Discovery,
Yes, sir.
and it's got nothing to do with food.
It is got something to do with food where they starve us.
Acha,
part of
didn't
the
look
show,
like
it's
it
stuff.
made any difference.
Because we finished that. Exactly.
Huh?
A month of starving. Finished it. 3 days later, we went for Singapore Food Festival for 10 days. Eating 4 meals a day.
Yeah.
Way to go. Way to go. So tell us about the show, yaar.
It is mental. It was, how the do you, am I allowed to curse? Let's not curse. I don't know. Look at me. Are we allowed to curse?
Yeah.
Oh, I've got the thumbs up. Mr. Kunal Vijayakar is slightly worried now. Man behind the camera is like, go for it. He has no idea what is coming.
Chalo.
Boom. So, no. How you take the two fattest guys and say, हाँ, तुमको survival show करवाते हैं. So they took us to SARS, tied our hands, put a thing on top of our head, put us in a helicopter and dropped us on top of a mountain and said, find your way home. So we thought, okay, very sexy, very cool. We look like Tom Cruise or 8 Tom Cruise. But there was no break. There was nothing like, okay, shoot khatam, abhi hotel jao. It was just now you're on your own for 27 days. Every single day, gada mazduri.
Where did they know?
They didn't tell us.
You didn't know where you were.
पहले तो हो रही तो बाद में and he's travels through the region. मैं तो पहली बार गया हूँ. मेरे को घंटा mountain ही mountain दिख रहे हैं. And I was like, this is not fun. And then I see a tent, which I have to put up with him. I can't stand tents. I'm not built for this shit. I'm built for the 4 seasons. I like the suite. 16 pillows around here. यहाँ पे no pillow, no nothing. Bears that want to shag you. All of this shit.
Bears?
Yeah. I mean, this was like hardcore. This was no joke. And then I found out Bear Grylls and these guys. I mean, वो SAS soldier है. Yeah,
But I have to ask you this question because I've always wondered about these reality shows. They're obviously shooting you. So there's a crew around somewhere.
So हम लोग का 60 का
60-member crew is there.
60-member crew is there.
And the best part is खत्म हो रहा है. So when we are doing this also, ना हम जब जा रहे हैं, stop हो रहा है. क्यों? Lunch stop हो रहा है. Talent का है, talent को जान दो आगे. एक कैमरामैन को भेज दो कि खाना नहीं खा सकते हैं, तो एक कैमरामैन को बिठा दो टैलेंट के साथ और भेजो आगे. तो हम चले गए आगे, सडनली वहाँ देख रहे हो फुल मेला शामियाना लगा है, वो खाना वाना खा रहे हैं, and they're looking at them.
So the crew gets to eat lunch.
We don't-
60-member crew, but y'all are suffering through this.
Of course.
and then I saw what they were eating. I was okay. I'll stay hungry.
Better.
यार हर चीज में पानी वाली दाल. It looked like gruel from Oliver Twist. I was like, not
We
happening.
basically
Great
gave up
expectation.
rajma chawal for life. After that.
Never again.
Never again.
मतलब हर रोज कुछ भी अगर पूछ लो, अच्छा कुछ नहीं है खाने को, हमारा दिन भर का खाना नहीं बना ठीक से, ये वो है ना, क्या करे? ऑप्शन एक ही मिल गया, राजमा चावल.
Rajma chawal. So 27 days.
27 days, and it was relentless because there is no escaping the fact, and you are not close to civilization. So it's not like you take a break and kahin jaoge aap. You're out in, and they had decided, and we also were adamant, first don't tell us anything. Because they're like, acha, itna bata denge, then you'll have an idea. I said, listen, we are not actors. We can't go camera on, switch on your face. That misery will not show. Then we say, ye kaat rahe ho, ye to humko pata hai. So it was every day, every morning, every afternoon was a surprise. We didn't know what was coming ahead. Because otherwise we are just not those guys who are going to be able to sort of. We have no stage, no acting chops. So that made it all the more interesting, but also nerve-wracking. और थक गए यार, बहुत चला है.
I can imagine.
By the end of it, I called it man versus walking.
So it was all walking for 27 days.
We were averaging at least 6 to 7 kilometers uphill every day.
I hope they paid you really well.
Yeah.
Let's say yes.
Are you paying for this?
Next season. This we won't charge you.
हाँ, okay. But इतने
गेस्ट को भी बुला, उसको बिल भी दो, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है.
नहीं, मैं बताता हूँ कौन करता है ऐसे नहीं. So नहीं हमारी बैंड बजी. This was, but it was. We'll do it again. Like, I'm waiting for season 2.
But you must do a season 2, no?
Again, yeah. We're looking forward.
I will watch it on.
Yeah.
Where does it come?
Discovery Plus.
I like it. I also forgot for a second. Like, it made me very nervous.
It's on Discovery Plus. Discovery, all the Discovery shows, all the Discovery channels, and it's on Discovery Plus.
Including television, Amazon.
Including Animal Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom.
Yesterday, a friend of mine called me. I'm seeing you on Animal Kingdom. I said it makes sense, but I didn't know we're up on Animal Kingdom also. I don't know how many people have seen it. You guys had a remake of Friends. Why don't you tell us about it?
They copied it from us. We were the original. It was called Hello Friends in India.
Hello Friends, yes.
इसका उन्होंने Friends बनाया अमेरिका में.
कितना एपिसोड निकला?
ज़्यादा नहीं निकला. मेरे को 13 एपिसोड निकला.
निकला 13?
तेरा निकाला.
क्योंकि
इनका वो एपिसोड का 13 हो सकता था, हमारे भी 1-2 और बन सकता है.
But those days you did 13 episode का season होता था, and Bunny was also good. And I don't know what television. I mean, I'm not talking of what you did, but what soap operas and all pay now, I have no idea. You are married several times. No?
He looks it.
हाँ.
बाल थे.
You're married?
No, not still
Single?
happy. Yeah.
Still happy.
I took one for everybody. One for you. One for you. सबके लिए मैं शहीद हो गया.
I heard the interview, so I know exactly. I've counted. I didn't count anything else. How many wives has he had?
Yeah. I took one
It's
for
a
the
running
team.
joke. Every time he says, "My wife did this." Which one?
Which one?
On both shows, on Big Focus and I Should Have Stayed Home.
Yeah.
So much वो डायरेक्टर पूछने लगा था.
कितने बीवी है?
कौन सी बीवी?
कौन सी बीवी?
ये किसने करा तेरे को? Why are you so damaged?
Acha, which is the best food you have eaten up to now in your travels? It's very difficult to say that, but what?
Oh my God. So depend. यार ये
Okay.
difficult है. I'll tell you what. हर जगह का कुछ न कुछ होता है.
हाँ.
मैं इंडिया में बोलूँगा पहले. I'll tell you what Delhi does better street food than you all do. I don't want to put you guys on the spot, but I know you are a hardcore Mumbai boy, but Delhi representing.
And you're not even from Delhi.
Not even. पता नहीं क्यों I'm owning
I
it.
don't
Like
know, suddenly
why am
why?
I owning it?
Yeah.
School done.
Model वहाँ punishment मिलेगी. So Delhi में I've had street food. But my favorite meals I think has to be Spain and Thailand. European जाओ तो Spain because that place is just food.
Thailand better than Singapore?
Singapore is also so good, man. Like it's so hard.
Singapore you can learn everything, yeah.
Singapore का rule है, the less you pay, the better the food is.
Yeah.
Singapore का rule ऐसा है, and I've lived there, कि the less you pay, the better the food is.
Better.
The more fancy you get, then now it's becoming very fancy. It's okay, but back then when I lived there, 2003, 4, 5, सस्ता मतलब deadly because that family makes one dish.
Wow.
And 3 generations से एक ही चीज बना रहे हैं, right? Wherever they came from.
The good part about Singapore, it doesn't actually, especially these older places that we went to, they are not catering to the audience. मतलब they are doing what they do. Audience, आप अपने हिसाब से आ जाओ. हम यही करते हैं, हम 3 जनरेशन यही करते हैं जिससे वो
खाना है तो आओ नहीं तो ना.
exactly वो chicken that what is that chicken
Hainan
Jifan. वही Hainan Jifan कर रहा है वो इतने सालों से. He is not changing his. जैसे अपने यहाँ क्या होता है, कोई आके पंजाबी मांगा तो दे दे वो ऐड कर दो मेनू में. These guys don't do that. हम मेनू में ऐड कर देंगे to please somebody. That's the good part.
Jen, where I live, that's a combination of all of China. It's like your Bombay. सब जगह वहीं आते हैं. Shanghai and Shenzhen are the 2 places where everybody sort of comes to. So there you'll get all of China's food. So China has like 8 major cuisines. वो सारा का सारा सड़कों पे मिलता है वो. And क्या यार वो सुबह 4 बजे जाओ खाना सब मिल जाएगा. Because everybody, that's a non-stop working city. No matter what time in the day,
Bombay types.
I will go
land of
next. We
delivery.
will go there. Then. कल जाना चाहिए.
Yeah,
I've never
you
been.
should.
I'm still trying to go back. मेरा घर वहीं है.
We come and visit you.
But अब यहाँ
पहले
का-
वो तो
I
जाए.
just need to. If you go there, please bring my clothes back. All my stuff is still stuck there. I haven't been able to get it out.
We'll go. अच्छा, before we end the show, because काफी बातें की, यहाँ के खाने के बारे में कुछ बताएं. What do you like the most out of this thing?
I will give you my favorites to start with. This one, definitely.
Dabba
The
gosh,
dabba
okay.
gosh is to die for. The paya soup is excellent. I would have put a little bit more pepper in it. It gives you that घर पे बीमार पड़ता है ना, best वाला feel.
Yeah, it goes down nicely.
The yakhni is quite nice as well.
Yeah.
But I think by the time we had it a little bit dried out, but it's a great, well-made lakta. These three are my favorites.
Okay.
Rest are very good, but these three are my favorites.
Yours?
I like this the most for some reason, and second this, I like the bheja.
You're honorary Delhi now.
Yeah, bheja. Yeah.
This
You're
is
already
very,
Delhi,
very,
already Delhi.
You're
very
Delhi wala.
North Nawab style.
तो हमें मिलता नहीं ना यहाँ. अच्छा.
कुणाल खुराना.
कुणाल खुराना. चलो.
इसके लिए कुणाल खुराना.
चलो डन. बदल देते हैं.
Magas.
Magas.
I always have a weak place for Magas.
Yeah.
So this actually the nihari जो बनी है, I'm going to get, but I quote controversy anyways. This is the closest the real nihari should taste like.
Closest?
But not a nihari.
Okay.
I will not, they call it a nihari.
Yeah.
I will not call it a Delhi ki nihari. But in Bombay, this is the
Who's
closest.
the closest you can get?
Because ये Noor Mohammadi and there I don't understand. I think ये Karachi style का है कुछ. It is not that Delhi का जिसमें आटा घुटा हुआ है ना.
नहीं.
Because that आटा का घुटने का develops a certain sweetness, not from the onion or the barista, but from the आटा.
Sorry, he's twice or thrice you've tried to say
I'm
on
trying
that
to-
note.
on that
Let's
note
and
मैं
one more
wrap up
question
करने की
comes.
कोशिश कर रहा था, लेकिन चलो हम चलते रहेंगे. यहाँ थैंक यू बोल देते हैं. Thank you for coming on the show. Best of luck with your
Thank you.
Discovery show.
We survived.
you.
Second season भी होए.
Yeah.
You
Hopefully-
put in a word for us.
I'm telling the audience, boss.
Please watch
Audience
the damn
is key.
show.
Audience
Please watch
is
the
key.
damn show.
It's called I Should Have Stayed Home. It should have been called
You
I
stay
Should Have
home and
Been
watch
Paid
the show.
More. That's what the show is supposed to be called. I should have been paid more.
Oh yeah, season 2 काट दिया.
You never know. Without asking, you never get.
Yeah, exactly.
मांग रहा है तो दे देंगे.
दे दो please. Please. You stay home and watch the show. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having us on the show.
Good food. Thank you.
Thank you for the great meal.
Baghdadi also, thank you very much for hosting
Thank
us.
you so much.
Thank you so much. This is such a treat. I'm sorry we wasted a lot of
Not
food,
be
but
able to
you-
do
No,
enough justice,
no.
but there is a crew.
Everybody
Oh.
will.
Just for everybody
Aat
watching, there is a crew.
Except him.
To also do.
Except-
one person. He'll have the roti.
देख भेजा जो होता है ना वेजिटेरियन होता है.
हाँ. वो मांस नहीं है.
नहीं है. भेजा ऐसे. उसको पनीर समझ के खा जाओ. तो वैसे
Oh, sorry, फिर we are trying to do this.
I'm still trying to end this episode. तो अगर आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज राइट, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर, कमेंट और आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए कि
खाने में क्या है?
but we'll have this battle about Delhi street food and Mumbai street food. मैंने दिल पे लगा कर लिया है थोड़ा सा.
मैं तो मतलब
थोड़ा सा
उसका चिकट टेप लगा के बोल जाऊंगा, सर याद रखना. नहीं,
You don't get seafood in Delhi.
you don't
Period.
get.
You get canned
no,
food.
no. You get fish, but you don't get seafood. Because river fish मिलता है, and you get your अमृतसरी मच्छी जो North
कौन
Delhi.
सा रिवर? यमुना का वो तो फ्री, वो तो कुकड ही आता है.
पता लगा दूसरे एपिसोड में यही चल रहा है. अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ.
चलते रहा. चल
हमारे सारे एपिसोड ऐसे ही खत्म होते हैं. आप चलिए,
हाँ
हम बैठ के खाते
हाँ,
हैं.
खाना खत्म करते हैं.